Okay, I'm just going to do a quick bit of handheld camera action just to zoom over the cloth Mokulito print in better detail when it's more stationary and better light. You can see how well some are printed, others less so. I'm just going to draw attention to a few bits after I've scrolled over and all the way up to that last bit up there. So this leaf, if you remember, that was the ghost. I did not re-ink that Mokulito leaf. You can see how well it was printed, again, hand printed, so there's still a lot of ink on there. Obviously you could re-ink it if you wanted the stronger one. The original was there. So you can see the difference. That was first pull, a lot stronger. But the detail is still there in the ghost, so you have a lot to play with. This apple printed really nicely. Again, Mokulito. And with a jigsaw you get these beautiful edges. Really strong edges to the jigsaw, which I think makes a really nice strong impression on the print. In this section here we have another Mokulito one with some crayon marks and some spatterings, and then I did that rollover in the lime green, just a stripe across the top. Adds a really nice graphic element, and I think actually quite important. We've got here two cloth prints of the apple leaf we inked up and printed on with a non-drying ink, and you can see it's printed really nicely. It's actually got some of the detail there, which is actually pretty impressive with the cloth. And you can also see the stitching coming through where we sewed it on. That's a nice graphic element. Again, this apple here is cloth, and these were all little. This is done with a touche. You've got a lovely, this is the one I pulled the edge apart down here, so you've got a different texture going on, and obviously there. Whoop. That was another Mokulito, the sort of the bruised one with the blend rollover. And this one, this sort of green one here, that was a cloth, which has picked up really nicely and got some real nice effects in there. And obviously we've got the picnic blanket all folded and going, and it's got the nice spots and textures on it, which looks really effective. And again, it's the cloth, so you can fold it, you can utilise that. Got another Mokulito spattering going on down there. That was the Mokulito with the apple veins printed on, and again it's picked up surprisingly well. You can see the comparison to over here with the cloth. It's picked up marginally more detail, and it's crisper. It's really effective, very very nice. This cloth one printed very well, nice strong touche. And finally, this background cloth one didn't ink up very well, but that's okay because it's got a nice just background abstract shape. And there's the Mokulito one. So all in all, I think that's a pretty cool print.